In this video, we will be covering the different ways we can set up tenants for auto account billing. First, we'll cover two different ways to do auto credit card billing. This tenant has a paid to date of 11/1/2012 and is current on their rent. They want to be set up on auto credit card billing, but don't want to make a payment at this time. To do this, we'll go to Change Info, Auto Billing, change credit card information, and enter in the tenant's credit card number. We'll fill in the correct expiration date and verify that the address is correct, and then click OK. This will create a token on the payment server. This token is what will be used for credit card billing. We'll want to make sure that the auto credit card billing box is checked. In this case it was. And this particular tenant, the credit card will process 0 days after the paid to date, which for this tenant means that the credit card will run on the 1st. Then we'll go ahead and click OK. Now that tenant has successfully been set up for auto credit card billing without taking a payment. For the next tenant, we'll go ahead and take a credit card payment and then set the tenant up for auto billing. To do this, we'll go to Make a Payment, we'll pay 1 month, go to Credit Card or ACH. There's currently no token on file, so we'll use a new credit card. We'll click OK and enter in the customer's credit card information, the correct expiration date, and verify that the address is correct. We'll then click OK. The system is going to prompt if we want to save this transaction token for future charges. We do, since we're going to set this tenant up for auto bill. So we're going to go ahead and select Yes. The card was charged successfully. I'm going to click OK. We can see the paid to date is changed, but now we need to go in and set this tenant up for auto credit card billing. We'll go to Change Info once again, Auto Billing, and select the Auto Credit Card Billing box. This particular tenant wants to be charged on the 5th of each month, and so we'll process the credit card 4 days after the paid to date. The paid to date is 11/1. The next time this tenant will be charged is on 12/5. I'll go ahead and click OK. So now we have had two tenants successfully set up on credit card billing, one with taking a payment and one without taking a payment. Next, we'll set up a tenant for auto, ACH, or electronic check debiting. In all cases, a payment must be run in order to save the token for an electronic or checking account. We'll go to one of our delinquent tenants, take a payment. I'll go ahead and pay the outstanding balance here. Click OK. And I don't want to use the check field at the top. Instead, because this is going to be an electronic check used for automatic withdrawal each month, I want to go to Credit Card or ACH, use New Credit Card or ACH account, and then click OK. When I get to the credit card information window, I want to select the ACH box. Here I'll enter in the customer's routing number and account number. I want to make sure that I select the correct account type and that I verify the address information is correct. Then I'll go ahead and click OK. I'll be prompted once again if I want to save the transaction token for future charges. I do, since I want to set this tenant up for electronic check debiting. So I'll select Yes. The account was successfully charged. Now I can go and set the tenant up for auto billing. To do so, I'll go to Change Info, Auto Billing, Auto Checking Account Billing. Once again, I'll leave Process Credit Cards 0 days after paid to date. For this tenant, his checking account will now be charged on October 10th, 2012, and it will be charged the 10th of each month going forward. I'll go ahead and click OK, and we're all done. Once again, this video has covered two ways to set up a tenant for credit card, auto credit card billing, and one way to set up a tenant for electronic check billing.